Welcome to another season of TurboTax Tips. Real advice for real people. Get your taxes done right anytime, from anywhere. When your tax refund lands in your account, it kind of feels like Christmas in spring. But how do you make that refund even bigger or make sure you don't have any tax surprises come tax time? We'll show you how in our series called Ways to Increase Your Tax Refund You Never Thought About. And in Part 1, we're looking at changing up a form you may have forgotten about. One of the easiest ways to control how much money you see in your refund or to make sure you pay enough taxes is to complete your W-4 form. If you don't remember what that is, that's a form you filled out when you started your job. A W-4 tells your employer how much federal income tax to withhold from your paycheck, and it's something you can go back and tweak with your employer at any time. In 2020, the IRS launched a redesigned Form W-4, the W-4 Employee's Withholding Certificate, to help you adjust your withholding. There are a few key changes to the form you should know about to help you adjust your withholding. One of the biggest changes to the form is you no longer figure out your withholding using personal withholding allowances. Instead, your withholding is based on whether you can claim the child tax credit, other dependent credit, and additional credits like an education tax credit. You can make adjustments for additional withholding if you have other income, like interest, dividends, or income from multiple jobs. You can also reduce your withholding if you have additional deductions besides the standard deduction, like itemized deductions. So what do you do if you want a bigger refund? You can increase your withholding on your W-4, but be warned, your paychecks will shrink since more tax is being withheld. But while you'll have less money on payday, increasing your withholding increases your chances of over-withholding, which leads to a bigger tax refund. That's why it's called a refund. You're just getting money back that you overpaid to the IRS during the year. That's all for today. And remember, with TurboTax, you can hand your taxes over to a TurboTax Live tax expert available in English and Spanish and get your taxes done from start to finish, all from the comfort of your home. And don't forget to tune in for another episode of TurboTax Tips, because doing your taxes is easier than you think.